My name is Wally Brown. I'm with GAF. My title here at GAF is Senior Commercial Installation Specialist. Going on 15 years now. Well, when I was in high school, I'd do it on weekends, after school. And then when I got out of school, I went and worked at factory jobs. And I got laid off from my job, just got married, bought a house, went into roofing full time, and started on the ground, picking up trash, worked my way up the ladder. Here I am today. Typically what takes up, I would say 80% of my time is training, which is what I love to do. And I always tell guys every time I start with my trainings, if I could teach somebody one thing, I've done my job. There's always gonna be roofers. I don't care how many machines you have out there, there's always gonna have to somebody that's gotta put a roof on. The craftsmanship involved in roofing, to me, is no different than a carpenter or electrician or what have you. I mean, if I'm signing my name to that work, I want to be proud of that work.